Super excited to talk at TED's Technology Summit in first quarter of this year. The kind of key areas that I'll focus on really are around customer experience, which then focuses really on the kind of disparate subsets of data companies have and how do they stitch that together intelligently using AI. And then also focusing on the customer journey orchestration, and really how do we move from a transactional type of relationship with the consumer to an emotional relationship where we're going around decentralized ID, and then kind of how does AI play into all of that. So that's kind of one area. The second area we'll focus on is the employee experience. Microsoft just came out with a new study today or yesterday around the work trend index around the frontline worker. So we'll talk about kind of our research around that area, the challenges, as we know, around the great reshuffle of individuals leaving our industry, moving to other industries. So how do we get them back, number one? And number two, how do we create a more inclusive culture using technology to drive better communication, collaboration, and ultimately driving operational efficiency across the board. So we'll talk a little bit about that. And kind of the third area is really around intelligent operations, which is the concept of smart hotels, whether that's using biometrics, using predictive maintenance, all those various areas that fold into kind of the overall hotel that will drive the next experience. As an example, using 5G, IoT, so all of those areas. And then finally, probably talk a little bit about AR, VR, MR, which is augmented reality, mixed reality, virtual reality, and really also around the metaverse and the next generation avatars that really can sense emotions from the consumers. So how do you use that type of technology? How do you look at the metaverse as an opportunity? And really the idea is how do we help automate an industry that has been lacking kind of in the automation side? And then finally focus on sustainability, as that's a common thread across all different industries. And then how does that play into the hospitality space? So excited about chatting with everyone in the near future, and hope you have a good first quarter. Thanks very much.